Like I got one. Ooh, this is a big one. Big one, babe. Where's the net? Is your line in the water? Don't do that. Definitely don't do that.
This is a different one.
A lot bigger. All right, first official measurement on the first. Gotta start at the 0. He's just over 16, 16 and a half, 16 and a quarter. First one was about 13 inches. Sheeper number 1. This fish on pieces of shrimp, fresh shrimp. They were alive, but I like it as fresh as possible. I don't want to buy dead shrimp. So I buy a pint of live shrimp, which comes out to about 30 or 40 nice shrimp, and each one makes about 4 pieces. So you get about 125 pieces or so. I don't know the one. This one feels pretty good too. Dang, he's moving. Sheeper. Oh yeah. Oh, it's a black drum. Keeper drum. Nice. Little black drum. I think he's right about 16 even. And another bite. Fish on. Okay, let's see what this one is. Ooh, this feels like a big sheephead. Big sheephead. You gotta listen to what I'm saying. Ain't that hard. Man. This is a big sheephead, babe. This is bigger than the other one. This is 20 inches. Or a big old drum. Let's see. Dang. Wanna help me net him, babe? I'm gonna need your help. Ooh, redfish. Nice red. Already got the country slam over here. Look at that. It's a pretty redfish. It's like 23, 24. Nice little slot red. Ready, babe? Man, this thing is fighting like crazy. Ready, babe? Ready? I'll get a 3, 2, 1. Get him. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. Redfish fillets. All right. We got it at the 0. It looks like he's about 23 inches, 22 and a half. Not bad, huh? Not bad for a start. Not bad for about 20 minutes. What is it? Ooh, it's a nice drum. Look at that. Fish on.
I told you they're on your side.
Fish on.
Get pockets like this.
Does this thing zoom in?
No. Oh, it's a speckled trout. Man, keep a trout. Catching all kinds of fish today. That was nuts. See if it's a keeper. Looks like he's about 1.5 inches past it. So about 16 1/4. Alright guys, if you want to take a sneak at the box, what's in here, you have to come over here. Move your feet, dude. Alright, let's see what we got so far. If you look at it, guys, we just got a trout. We got some drum, we got a red, we got a sheephead, we got 4 different fish. Look at that. 5 fish, 4 different fish. I'm gonna go ahead and mix this ice up a little bit.